So welcome back. Today I wanted to do a video on what I think is the best setup for a compact tractor to plow with. It's a WR long plow, a quick attach plow, and a back blade. I'll go through them and I'll show them to you and show you how it plows. It plows like a beast. Best setup ever. So let's get to it. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while about what I think is the best setup for a compact tractor to plow snow. I think as you'll see, the back blade that's on it, as well as this plow from WR Long, I don't think it can be beat. Actually, it makes plowing some quick work. So I'll show you some different shots. My battery kept dying and having issues in this cold weather, but let's see what we can put together. So this is the company right here, WR Long, out of North Carolina. This is the plow. As you can see, it's reinforced along the back. This thing is built like a tank. It sits outside on a pallet all year long, uncovered, and this plow is 12 years old. I mean, it's just held up great. So this rubber strip that I added to the top is critical because without this, snow pours over the plow when you hit the pile, and it gets all jammed up down where the piston is. Right, so as you're moving the plow back and forth, it's just packing snow in there. And then what would happen is probably every half hour I'd have to get off the tractor and take a screwdriver and a hammer and get up in there and knock all the ice out. So this back blade, you can see here, I can angle. I could turn it all the way around and push with it. But it makes it handy, especially backing up by the garage. You'll see, to pull snow out, what I do is I pull it out and then lift up the rear blade, back up a little bit, and then push it off with the front. It's just super handy. And the hydrostatic drive is the way to go if you're going to plow snow. I'm not changing gears, shifting into reverse. Just a foot pedal, forward and back. That is the best setup for plowing, for sure. So here I'm leveling the plow. I'll turn it right to left and adjust the tilt on it until it swings left to right level. I do this in the garage before I head out. Usually I wind up screwing it up as I plow, which is why I get so much wear on the blade, but I'll get it close right here. And here I'm close, so now we're going to start plowing. So this is a little trick I do in front of my wood pile. I put tables out there and stretch the tarp over the tables, and it keeps snow from piling right up on the wood pile and saves me some shoveling work when everything's done. So I'm pretty happy with my table trick, because there's where the truck was parked, my truck right next to it, so it left a little patch of snow right there. But you can see how little snow I have to deal with, and it leaves nothing right by the wood pile. So what I'll do is I'll pull this snow off the top down to here, and I'll get it with the blade, and then I don't have to shovel right next to my wood pile. It's sweet. Then I'll just drop the tarp back down. Perfect. I dig it. So we're done, and that made quick work of it. That's all done. Look how much neater that made it by the wood pile. Now the front row is gone. I already burned the front row, but I don't got snow all packed up by the wood pile. It's just perfect. I dig it. And that WR long plow, that has been punished. I've had it now for I think 12 or 14 years, and I've flipped the cutting edge around already, and you can see the mark here where the old blade used to be, and you can see the edge along here. It's pretty bad, but I flipped it around, get another 12 years out of it, and then I'll buy a new cutting blade from Long. They have an awesome website. This is their third function valve. They have good videos on troubleshooting the valve, which I had to do. So that all worked out good. So I will put a link to the WR Long website, so that you can go on and find the fit that's right for your tractor as well. So as always, I hope you took something good out of the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll see you next time, right back here.